For optional tabs, you do have a contract tab here. You can enter in the contract information manually, or if you link a cost record here on your cost detail form, then you can see that contract information processed automatically. The optional tab contains fields such as executing org, auto execute, PSC, ICC, and OCC code information. Again, make sure to refer to your org's business rules to determine if this information is required for your own organization when inputting your spend plan requirements. We do have a custom tab. Again, you'll fill in this information based on your org's business rules. You can see that the different lookup tables your organization has created for these fields has drop downs populating for you to make your selections. The comments tab allows you to leave comments when you make changes to this particular spend plan, and these comments will pull back on a SPID export. So you can leave a comment to an IPT. When you save the comment, it'll show the date and timestamp the comment was created and who created that comment as well. This is a great way for IPTs that are making changes to the same SPID over time can communicate those changes to each other as needed. And then only for labor SPIDs, you'll see the optional tab of supply details. Once you have all of your information that's required for the spend plan, you'll hit save. It will alert you if the person has been planned for more than one work year. Again, the system's not going to reject you from saving a person for being planned for more than one work year, but it does provide you with a message letting you know the person is overplanned. You'll select OK. The tool will process the SPID form, and it will save that new SPID number for you to allow you to track that requirement through the fiscal year. And that is how you create a new SPID.